Bonnie. Happy Tuesday. I've got a Bath & Body Works order coming in the mail today, so that's exciting. I got some of those new cocktail semi-annual sale things. I'll go over more of the Bath & Body Works stuff during that video. Still nothing new for semi-annual. But I actually have BoxyCharm Luxe today. I've kind of scaled back my beauty boxes. I really only get BoxyCharm and FabFitFun at this point because it kind of like just mixes up my makeup. I very rarely go to Ulta and Sephora anymore. I buy a lot from my Avon account. And I don't know, I just, we're not wearing as much. I said lipstick is going out of style now. I mean, it's funny because I actually like doing YouTube videos because I get to put lipstick on. Because when you go out with a mask, there's no point in putting lipstick on. So I actually love lipstick. So it's kind of fun to do my videos and put my lipstick on. So this one, BoxyCharm Luxe, is actually really good. So BoxyCharm Luxe comes out every 3 months. And as long as you're subscribed to BoxyCharm, they charge you an additional $24.99 every 3 months. And then this month's box was valued at $347. It is called the Oasis. And I have this little cheat sheet here that I can't see. So I'm just going to dig in. So the first thing I got, I was actually pretty excited about this. This is the Purlisse Perfect Glow BB Cream, SPF 30. And safety sealed, of course. That is a good thing. This one is actually a $35 value. I like the BB creams and the CC creams. I do wear those a lot. This one has a little bit of a glow to it. And I like the Purlisse brand. So I will use this for the summer. I like its oil-free, moisturizing, natural look coverage, matte meets glowy finish. So I'm actually super happy about this product. That was exciting. There's always a couple things that I'm kind of like, in the box. This is the Malin and Goats Recovery Treatment Oil. And this is actually an oh my gosh, I can't even see this, an $82 value. It's a botanical oil. I'll do some research on this. A lot of this stuff I do pass on to my mother-in-law. They like a lot of this stuff. So this is I wonder what this smells like. Oh, that smells kind of like eucalyptus. I'll have to read about this. So this is an oil treatment for your skin. I just want to make sure it's for your skin and not your hair. I'm like, wait a minute, is it hair oil? No, it's skin oil. Next up, from Bodyography, we have these are lip liners. Yeah, it's a lip pencil set. $28 for the set. Oh my gosh, who the heck pays $28 for 2 lip liners? Never in a million years would I pay that. I do like lip liners. I collect lip liners. I use them a lot. And these are nice shades. I like the ones. Check it out. Look at that. I do like these that, you sharpen the old-fashioned way. So I will definitely put those in my collection. So that's a good thing. Like I said, that's kind of what I like about the beauty boxes, because it's kind of a fun surprise, like every 3 months with the BoxyLuxe. I can't get this back in the container. And you know what? You're not paying like $75 for one product. You're just paying $24 upgrade, and you get all these cool products. I did get a mascara. I got the Triple X mascara from Lily Lashes. This is a what is this? How many? $24. I would never pay $24 for mascara. It always cracks me up. This is a full-size mascara. All my mascara I've been wearing is usually from Avon lately. But anytime I get one from a beauty box, I will use it up. I am terrible about mascara, you guys. I literally, I mark it on there. I keep mascara for 2 weeks and then I toss it. And the reason is I have horrible allergies and eye problems, so I don't like to keep mascara. I know it sounds like extreme, but because I have so much mascara, I don't mind just like using it for 2 weeks and then tossing it. But I'm pretty crazy about my mascara. Next up, we got like a pillowcase. I was like, what the heck is this? We got the where is this thing? Who makes this? It's Hallmark. Hallmark Collectibles Satin Pillow and Mask Set. So this is kind of cool. It's a satin pillowcase. check that out. So these are really nice because when you use a satin pillowcase, your hair doesn't get as like messed up. I've used satin pillowcases before, so this is kind of a fun thing. And this is a $24 value, and then you also get a little eye mask to block out the light in the morning. I don't really wear these, but now I have one. So I got that. Let me set that aside. I like this little color case, though. That's really cool. Okay, next up, we have the, what is this? This is Kylie Skin by Kylie Jenner. That's kind of interesting. They put a Kylie product in here. This is the, what is this? It's a, the foaming face wash. I'll have to try this. It's a $24 value. Check it out. I've never, believe it or not, I've never used anything from Kylie Jenner. I don't know why. I just never box out. I'm just going to put this in the bathroom. I'm going to try it out. I want to see what this is like. It's the foaming face wash. Mousse. Now, before I put the box away, let me see. You can't read this. Hello. This is obviously for young people, because try reading this when you're over 50. Oh my gosh. Luxurious foaming face wash is infused with kiwi seed oil. We'll try it. That's kind of cool. Okay, so I'm liking that. And then, oh my gosh, I always get excited when I get brushes. I don't know why. I've never bought a makeup brush like in my life. I think I bought like one It Cosmetics one a long time ago. But that's the one thing I really like about the beauty boxes is when you can get all the brushes. And this looks like a neat set. So this one is, they're charcoal infused for an antimicrobial effect. They're vegan. Never heard of that before, but that's kind of cool. They're really nice. I especially like the eyeshadow brushes. I go through a lot of eyeshadow brushes like all the time. And then when I line my eyes, I use a brush. I don't see a stiff brush in here, but that's okay. But these are nice. Check it out. These are actually what is the value on these? Where did they go? You know, trying to read this thing is insane. $55. Holy moly. I would never in a million years would I pay that much money for a brush set. Once again, why I get the beauty boxes, so I can get new brushes. Okay, I'm going to throw this out. No artificial dyes. Bamboo charcoal infused bristles. Bristles. I can't even talk anymore. Bristles. Finally, oh my gosh, the most cool thing in the box. That didn't even make sense. Most cool. My English is going down the tubes. The coolest thing in the box is the Tarte, the Pro Amazonian Clay Palette. Oh my gosh, you guys. I was really hoping I got this. I do like Tarte, and I like their palettes. So let me just show you this. I do have the Glow palette, you know, the contouring one. But check this out. This is actually really pretty. So you get, these are nice like fall shades. Check it out. Isn't this pretty? Oh my gosh, look at that. And it's got a lot of like dark purples, I swear. You know, it's funny. Like, no matter how many eyeshadows you have, usually when you get a new one, you're like, ooh. I always do that. I just got the new Too Faced palette. I like this one too. It's got the Tarte Vanilla scent infused in here. I love the Tarte Vanilla scent. I don't know. I'm a huge fan of scented eyeshadow, but I only like it when it's like a natural, like the Too Faced Coconut was nice, and this vanilla is really, really nice. But let me just swatch one of these shades. Let me see here. Ooh, these are pretty. Oh my gosh, look at how pretty this purple is. Look at that. That shade is called Vamp. And then I like this Fierce. This is really pretty. Like I said, it's, you know, when you're older and you're wearing glasses too, sometimes you have trouble with your eyeshadow. I'm actually wearing the Too Faced palette today. I like this one a lot. I tend to go for like browns and purples with my eyeshadow because it tends to work with the green eyes that I have. But I'm super excited about this. I'm actually, it's funny, I've been kind of addicted lately to the Zini Optical. Oh my gosh, they have such cool glasses, and they're like under $50 for a pair of glasses. I had gotten these. I have a couple of pair of glasses now, I got these. I kind of like these. These have like a metal on the side. These actually show off my eyes a little bit better. You can see my eyeshadow more. These are a little bit more cat eye. And you know, it's funny because I didn't get the upgraded lenses in these, and you can tell they kind of reflect. I actually have two more pairs coming. These actually look better on camera because you can see my eyes a little bit better. I have a red pair and a pink pair. So I'm so excited just to switch off my glasses now on camera. So that'll be fun. So anyway, BoxyCharm Luxe for June, $347 value. I absolutely love this box. This is an awesome box. I love the brushes. I love the palette. We'll see if I like the foaming face wash. The Pure Lease is a really good deal. The only thing that I probably will gift off is this Malin and Goats Recovery Treatment Oil, because I don't really use that. So anyway, I'm definitely keeping BoxyCharm and FabFitFun. Like I said, I've kind of let my other boxes go because, you know, I feel like I've got a lot of makeup right now and I'm not exactly wearing. Like I said, the fun part is wearing it on camera. But this one's definitely a keeper. So anyway, I will put my BoxyCharm referral link below if anyone's interested in trying BoxyCharm. Thank you so much for watching, and I will be back later with my Bath & Body Works semi-annual sale haul, which came in 2 days. It's coming. It's not here yet. Bye-bye.